Hello students, let us try one more program using if-else statement, that is a decision statement in C language. Let us try to evaluate or check whether the entered year is leap year or not. Now before proceeding with the program, first of all, what is the meaning of leap year? The number when divided by 4 gives us the remainder as 0, then that number is leap or that year is leap year. You can write here not number, you can write here, and that year is leap year. Let us try to use this content of leap year or this formula of leap year. First of all, write header files. That is the basic requirement of the program basically. stdio.h, the standard input output dot header, that is console. Second is console input output dot header. Then main function is required, int year. Then printf, enter year. You have to enter one number. Basically it should be integer value. %d is required for control string for integer value. Year, then if statement. Now the year when divided by 4 gives us the remainder as 0. We already know in operators modulus operator is used to calculate remainder. It's an assignment operator, not assignment operator. Basically it's an equality operator. Year divided by 4 gives us the remainder as 0. We have to check whether this value is equal to 0 or not. If that value is equal to 0, then you can write here %d is a leap year. You can write here. Else you can copy paste this content. Is not a leap year, because in if you have to write the true statement and in else you have to write the false statement. It's also the simplest program as far as the previous program is concerned. Only the important point lies here inside the if statement. Here basically it is the condition. Here modulus 4 is equal to 0. It means the number when divided by 4 gives us the remainder as 0. If this value is equal to 0, then the year is leap year. Otherwise, it's not a leap year. Let us execute the program. Suppose I enter 1987. 1987 is not a leap year because this number 1 divided by 4 doesn't give us the remainder as 0. It's not basically the multiple of 4. Let's try another one. Suppose I write 2020, this year. 2020 is leap year. Hope you understand the content of using if-else statement. In previous video, I explained about the age, whether the entered age is eligible for voting or not. And in this video, I explained again the first decision statement of if else, that is whether the entered year is leap year or not. Similarly, you can try many more examples. For any query, you can comment in the video section. Hope you understand the content of if else. Thanks for watching my video.